Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Twilio to send a WhatsApp message. First, you will have to open up a browser and then search for Twilio. And this is how it will appear. Now, you need to click on the login and this is where it will take you to. After that, insert your login credentials. If you do not have any account, just sign up. And then it will redirect you here. Click on messaging and then try it out. You can see the send WhatsApp message. So you need to connect to send a WhatsApp message. Either you're going to text the number or scan the QR code. So now we're going to copy the number and then the code, and then we go to WhatsApp, new chat, and then paste the number that we copied earlier. Click this one and then paste the code that we also copy. Now you are now connected to Sandbox as what the message says. So we try here to message me want to send, and then you will receive the text message. So now let's try it again. So that's it. That's how to use Twilio to send WhatsApp message. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!